Hello friends and welcome to my channel Homeolife. Today's our topic is scopes and limitations of homeopathic MateriaMedica. In that first we will start from scope of homeopathic MateriaMedica. In that first scope is it is the most extensive study for the drug and nothing added more to the symptoms already recorded by well-proved drugs. होम्योपैथिक मटीरिया मेडिका एक एक्सटेंसिव स्टडी है जिसमें ड्रग्स ऑलरेडी प्रूव्ड है, ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्डेड है। सो इसमें कुछ भी नया न्यू सिम्टम्स और कुछ भी न्यू एक्शंस ड्रग की ऐड नहीं होती है। सेकेंड स्कोप इज ऑलवेज ड्रग शुड बी अप्लाइड आफ्टर कंसिडरेशन ऑफ द लॉ ऑफ इंडिविजुअलाइजेशन। इन होम्योपैथी वी ट्रीट एवरी पर्सन एज इंडिविजुअल, एवरी डिजीज एज इंडिविजुअल. So we administer the medicine as individual approach. So होम्योपैथी में हम पेशेंट को इंडिविजुअल ट्रीट करते हैं. So for every individual disease, every drug is individual. So the drugs are always applicable after the administration of law of individualization. Third scope is many so-called incurable disease can be cured by homeopathic materia medica. So-called incurable disease like initial stage of cancer, first and second stage of any type of cancer, and chronic diseases like hypertension, diabetes mellitus, hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism. Such diseases are incurable at the site of allopathic or antipathic approach. But in homeopathic, this type of so-called incurable cases can be cured very easily with the help of homeopathic materia medica. Fourth scope is psychological disturbances can be cured with the help of homeopathic materia medica. Psychological disturbances such as depression, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, delusion, hallucination, illusion. This type of psychological disturbance can easily cure with the help of homeopathic materia medica. Fifth scope is the disease before they cause structural and pathological changes can be cured with the help of homeopathic materia medica. The diseases which are chronic in nature that can be causes structural or pathological changes in our body. So that type of diseases can easily cure with the help of homeopathic materia medica without any structural or pathological changes occur. So we can prevent the structural and pathological changes which will be causes due to that type of diseases. So with the help of homeopathic materia medica, we can cure the disease before they cause any type of structural or pathological changes in our body. Sixth scope is many basic defects of childhood such as delayed dentition, delayed walking, delayed talking can be treated with the help of homeopathic materia medica in the beginning or early stage of life. Milestoning conditions such as delayed dentition, delayed walking, delayed talking, open frontanals, open sutures. That type of conditions can be treated in early stage of life with the help of homeopathic materia medica. Seventh scope is many abnormalities of character such as dullness, irritability, suspicious, fear can be avoided with the help of homeopathic materia medica. Characteristic abnormalities like dullness, irritability, suspiciousness, fear, phobias can be avoided with the help of homeopathic materia medica. Eighth scope is it is capable of curing the disease caused by overuse of drug or any drug addiction. With the use of homeopathic materia medica, we can cure the conditions which are produced due to overuse of drugs or abuse of drugs or any type of drug addictions. Ninth scope is we can change the diathesis and dysplasia with the help of homeopathic materia medica. होम्योपैथिक मटीरिया मेडिका की हेल्प से हम डायथेसिस मतलब अ टेंडेंसी टू सफ़र फ्रॉम अ पर्टिकुलर मेडिकल कंडीशन डायथिसिस मतलब कि पर्सन की एक टेंडेंसी होती है टू सफ़र फ्रॉम पर्टिकुलर मेडिकल कंडीशन. डायथिसिस can be hereditary, so the person has tendency to suffer from a particular condition or some particular medical condition, and dysplasia means abnormal physiological state. So with the help of homeopathic materia medica, we can change the tendency and abnormal physiological state of a person. 10th scope is homeopathic materia medica is useful in the treatment of psychosomatic disorder such as simple itching and acidities. With the help of homeopathic materia medica, psychosomatic disorder. Psychosomatic disorder means the disease which are appear on a somatic extent, which is caused due to psychic disturbance or psychological disturbance such as simple itching or acidity, can be easily cured with the help of homeopathic materia medica. 11th scope is a vast collection of drug itself is an advantage for a physician. होम्योपैथिक मटीरिया मेडिका में वास्ट कलेक्शन ऑफ ड्रग अराउंड 5000 वेल प्रूव्ड ड्रग्स है. दिस इज itself an advantage for physician, so we can easily apply the law of similia and law of individualization in a treatment of different kind of situations or different kind of disease conditions. 12th scope is wide range of symptoms for a single drug so that selection of simillimum become easy. होम्योपैथिक मटीरिया मेडिका में सिंगल पर्टिकुलर ड्रग्स में वास्ट कलेक्शन एंड वाइड रेंज ऑफ सिम्टम्स है, सो वी कैन easily apply the law of similia and choose a simillimum very easily. 13th scope is bad effect of palliation and suppression can be removed by homeopathic materia medica. Palliation means temporary removal of symptoms without doing anything for cure, and suppression means forcibly removal of symptoms from less important organ to more important organs with the risk of most harmful disease without any fixed principle. That such type of palliation and suppression which does not cure the diseases but they temporarily remove the symptoms or they forcibly remove the symptoms with the risk of new disease or harmful disease to most important organ. That type of condition can easily treated or removed by use of homeopathic materia medica. 14th scope is it is based on holistic approach. Homeopathic materia medica is based on holistic approach. In homeopathy, we treat the patient as a whole. We do not treat any symptoms or any particular organs, but we treat a patient as a whole. So the homeopathic materia medica is also based on holistic approach. The medicine which we are going to apply in a treatment of any disease, we will select that medicine by considering the patient as a whole. So it is based on a holistic approach. 15th scope is homeopathic materia medica contains a symptoms of well proved or partially proved and clinically tested medicines, so that number of drugs are quite sufficient to cure various type of diseases. होम्योपैथिक मटीरिया मेडिका में सिम्टम्स जो कंटेन है वो वेल प्रूव्ड है, पार्शियली प्रूव्ड है एंड क्लिनिकली वेरीफाइड एंड टेस्टेड है. सो द नंबर ऑफ ड्रग्स आर क्वाइट सफिशिएंट to cure a various type of disease conditions. 16th scope is pathogenetic action of medicine must be known before they apply to the sick person. होम्योपैथिक मटीरिया मेडिका में पैथोलॉजिकल एक्शन ऑफ मेडिसिन पहले से ही मेंशन्ड है, सो द पैथोलॉजिकल एक्शन इज नोन बिफोर द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इट, सो वी कैन easily apply to it on a sick person because we know its pathogenetic action. So it is a advantage in homeopathy that the pathogenetic action of drug is known before the application of it. Thank you for watching. In next video, we will start limitations of homeopathic materia medica. Thank you.